This is how you zoom in on the home screen. As you can see, it's quite zoomed in. To change the zoom, you have to tap and then tap and hold. And then you can change the zoom. If I just go with 3 fingers, no tapping, it doesn't work. So you have to tap, tap and hold. Do it a little faster than I'm doing here. And now, where'd the apps go? Well, they're at the top. So we got to scroll with 3 fingers until we find them. Which, depending on your needs, could be a bit of a pain. If this is too zoomed in, tap and tap hold again, and then you can adjust the zoom. If you do it right, you might need to do it a couple times until you get it just right. There is a way to make this a little easier though. Double tap with 3 fingers again to zoom all the way out to where it's supposed to be normally. You can have a zoom controller. We turn on show controller. That adds this little controller right here. Now, when we zoom in, double tap, zoom, where are we? We're lost. Tap and drag on this controller and we see it opens a rectangle. Disappeared there. So it disappears after a second. But if you tap and drag on this controller, you can see yourself moving around that rectangle, which is a representation of the iPhone screen. And that white box is your view. So that can make it a little easier to navigate when you're zoomed in. Let's triple tap again to zoom all the way back out. If we go back to the regular zoom page, we can also at the very bottom set the maximum zoom level, which by default is 5x. You can go all the way up to 15x. This is really zoomed in. I would say probably unusable. Let's see if we can see how big stuff is at this zoom level. Let's use the controller. There's all our stuff. This seems... To me, it seems unusable at this zoom level. I don't even know why you need this kind of zoom level. But there's lots more options for you to try. Just turn them on and off and see what happens, see what changes, and just mess around. There's really nothing you can do wrong. At the end of the day, turn off the controller and turn off the zoom, and everything's back to normal the way it was. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. This should be done on a regular basis, so check out that video and get the job done. I'll see you there.